this is totally a cotton material which is washable, and look at the softness of this material. This is 100% pure cotton and washable cotton, my friend. Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. I am your friend Sugandh. So DK Textile has launched a very new variety as our festival collection are ahead. So this is our such variety which is in the trending variety align set, and the prints are also trending because these are the top trending print right now. This is Ajrak print, and look at the variety. This is align set variety, and look how beautiful it look. All the designs are based on Ajrak only, and in the bottom you will get this kind of plazo. Yes my friend, in bottom you will get this kind of plazo, and top is like a align cut. Look at the round circle. Look at this, how beautiful it look. Here we have a dummy in which we have like weird a sample piece. You can see how beautiful it look, and in the neck we have this kind of collar, and we have button which are also printed design of the same Ajrak which is in the kurti, and this is totally a cotton material which is washable, and look at the softness of this material. This is 100% pure cotton and washable cotton, my friend. So there is no any chances of color fade or the fabric will not shrink because this is original cotton, my friend. And if I talk about the sizes, then M to XXL combo is available on every bundle. Look at this. This is M size, L, XL and XXL. So this kind of variety are available on DK Textile at a very genuine price. So my wholesalers friend, if you are a shop owner or you are selling from home, then this kind of variety will be the best, one of the best selling variety in your counter. So the price will be 399 rupees. Yes my friend, you have heard it right. Only at 399 you will get this kind of varieties in wholesale, because we are the manufacturer. So we generally give us update on regular basis on our community and on our channel. So in the description you will get the link of our channel also, and all our community also the address and the number are also given. So you contact us and join with our team and get the regular update of this kind of variety. For the women who are reseller and sell by sending photos in the group, they can also join our groups and send the regular update to their WhatsApp. Also you can purchase different kind of many more variety, like in our back also you can see many varieties are there. In the shop also you can see many parcels are also available. And if I talk about the varieties in minor detail, then look at the variety, my friend. Look at the very fine the work print it available on DK Textile. In regular market you can't get this kind of finishing. Look at the stitching, my friend. Here we have small type of stitching. Generally customer complains about that. On large stitching there is a we get overall work lock in this variety, and in large stitching there is a problem that stitching will break in anywhere, but in this kind of variety there is not any kind of problem in the variety. So you can see the color, we have all the color, they are targeted color, my friends. They are all designer premium selected color. Look at this is black with a mehndi combo. This is royal blue color with also mehndi combo, and this is the navy blue color. This is the black color. This is maroon color. All are pure Ajrak selected color. So you want to purchase this kind of variety, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to visit our channel, because our channel has more than this kind of variety, my friend. Because we have party wear variety, short top, long top, kurti, gowns, and they all are starting from a very genuine price of 125 rupees and 150 rupees. So you can go to our channel and watch different video in which you can find many more variety like this and like this, because this is the one variety align side, but we have many to more 5 to 10 variety in the align set coat set. So you can watch them and start your own business by calling us. You can purchase from home. COD is also available. You can get COD with order maximum or minimum of 20,000 rupees. Below 20,000 we doesn't provide COD. And also it is our request to the customer, then don't call for single pieces, because we are manufacturer, we generally deal in bulk. So you have shop owners or you want to purchase for bulk for your wholesaling, or you are selling from home, or you have shop, then please connect us, because these all are the variety which are all rounded variety. Means you can sell it for shops also, or you can sell it for counter also, you can sell it for sale varieties also. It will be available for different women who are selling from home also. So want to purchase this kind of variety, then all this kind of variety are in our catalog. So don't forget to take catalog from our team. Our catalog is given in the description also, the link is given, the numbers are given. So connect to DK Textile and start your own business with a minimum investment of rupees 10,000.